Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to download Plants vs. Zombies, Battle for Neighborville on your PC. But before we continue, check the description for links to gaming mouse and keyboard options if you're interested. Now, let's get started. First, make sure that you have Steam installed on your PC. Steam is a platform that allows you to download and play games from a huge library. If you don't have it installed yet, visit the official Steam website. In the top right corner, click Install Steam and follow the steps to set it up. Once you've installed Steam, open it up. If you don't have a Steam account, click Create a free account and enter your email and password. After logging into Steam, head to the search bar at the top right and type in Plants vs. Zombies, Battle for Neighborville. The game will show up in the search results. Click on the title to open the store page. To purchase the game, click the green Add to Cart button. Once you've completed the purchase, go to the Library tab. You will see Plants vs. Zombies, Battle for Neighborville listed there. Click on it and press the Install button. A window will ask where you want to install the game. Select your preferred location and click Next. The download will begin automatically. Once the download finishes, a play button will appear. Click it to launch Plants vs. Zombies, Battle for Neighborville. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Bye bye.